Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. When it comes to Korean skincare products, as consumers, we're spoiled for choice. There is just so much out there and loads of great innovation too. Every single week there seems to be a new viral or must-have skincare product coming out of the Korean skincare market. I know it can feel a little bit overwhelming. However, I'm here to guide us all through it, hopefully. And I do try out a lot of Korean skincare, and I'm here to tell you, of all the products I've tried, the one product I would say genuinely is a must try, one of those absolute standout holy grails, is this. This is the Arencia Rice Mucin Glow Serum. You've probably seen this go viral over on TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube. Lots of people fangirling about it and hyping it up. So of course, I tried it, I put it through its paces, and let me tell you, this is one of the few products that actually stands the test of time and stands up to the hype that it's received. Here on Mad About Skin, you'll never see a sponsorship or a paid partnership. I turned down that coin because I feel it helps me to retain my independence. So today, we're going to do an entirely sponsorship-free, independent review of this Arencia serum to share with you why I think it might just be the must-have Korean skincare product of 2025. So let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. So the Arencia Rice Mucin Glow Serum. I bought this probably about 3 months ago based on an intense fear of missing out. I saw so many people fangirl about it online. I thought, in the back of my mind, I knew all of this is just hype and I'm going to be disappointed, but I still had that fear of missing out. So I bought it, I tried it, and it's one of the few occasions where I genuinely believe a product lived up to the hype. I paid around £14 or £15 for this. It's certainly not bougie and luxury. It comes at a nice affordable price point, and for that price you get 50ml of product. Now this badges itself as a serum, but I'd say it's like a cream gel serum hybrid. I'll show it in action in a little while, and so you'll see exactly what I mean, but it's not a strict serum. I'd say it's probably closest to a gel when it comes to the texture. First and foremost, I've been really impressed with the packaging. This feels so nice. You know when you see those packages that just feel bougie, feel more expensive than they actually are? This is it. It's got a really sleek aesthetic, which I like. From a tactile perspective, it just feels great. And because it's not a super smooth jar, I think it's really easy to open. I appreciate that because I apply all of my skincare straight after the shower. The hands are wet and slippy and you can never get into things. This, really easy to open, and I know that shouldn't matter, but I'm literally approaching 40 imminently, and I found that as I've got older, I've appreciated quality packaging more than maybe I did before. However, we're not here for the packaging, we're here for the formulation. This is actually really good. So in here, the vast bulk of its content is rice extract. So it's a fermented rice extract, which actually has some data behind it, some clinical studies to prove it can really help lift and fade hyperpigmentation. So dark spots, discoloration, hyperpigmentation, call it what you want. I think we all have it. You know, that uneven skin tone that can be a real source of insecurity. There are lots of different ingredients out there that can tackle it, but I think one of the underappreciated ones is rice ferment extract. I've got some great results with it in previous products that I've tried, and so it's great to see in such a high concentration in this. It's got a nice backstory too. So apparently this ingredient was found to be so effective against hyperpigmentation because of sake producers. So the workers in these sake factories had their hands in this fermented rice drink all day long, and they noticed that the skin on the hand was much more youthful than skin on the face, and kind of put two and two together. I don't know how much truth there is in that, but who doesn't love a good backstory? Now, alongside that rice ferment, you also have a really nice dose of Saccharomyces ferment. Now, some of these have ridiculously long names, I know, but they're really key ingredients when it comes to increasing cell turnover. Saccharomyces you might be aware of from the ordinary milky toner that uses it as one of its key ingredients, and it's designed to very gently exfoliate the skin. So not the equivalent of a harsh chemical exfoliant, but something that's super gentle, just to supercharge that cell turnover and just smooth everything out. Why I think this is so special though is it has collagen in here alongside polyglutamic acid. Both of these are amazing humectants that draw in moisture within themselves, plump themselves out, and give the skin a real nice, juicy, plump finish. These sort of humectants are so effective that literally after applying a product like this, it can instantly take off like 4 or 5 years off the skin just by hydrating and plumping it out. These effects obviously are temporary, but who doesn't love a quick fix and a little bit of glow up for the skin? You've got a plethora of different plant-based brightening ingredients to really, again, further enhance that rice filtrate. And what I love about this though is you've got a vitamin C derivative and you've got retinal with an A. Now retinal is my favorite over-the-counter retinoid for boosting collagen and elastin production and minimizing those fine lines and wrinkles. That vitamin C derivative is really going to help supercharge that hyperpigmentation benefits and also help increase radiance and luminosity in the skin. This is kind of a product that has it all. Now, I know some people will think retinal in a product like this. Well, come on, we'll talk about that in a minute. But this for me is one of those products that was a hit on first application. You get those quick wins in terms of plumping out the skin, nourishing and hydrating, and then in the long term, it's got some real great pro-collagen benefits too for anti-aging. My top tip, keep this in the fridge. Because it's a gel, it's so calming and soothing and it just feels beautiful on the skin if you keep it in the fridge. I'll do an application on this side of my face so you can see. In terms of, I don't know if that's picking up on camera, if you can see that texture, but it just feels so good. And I'd say it's got a texture similar to like a snail mucin serum, but it hasn't got any snail in it. So if you're vegan, you're living a plant-based lifestyle, you're all good. It's snail free. Let's just put a little on the skin there so you can see how this goes in. Now, it's one of those products that you can be lavish with. You can use as much or as little as your skin needs. And it just gives the nicest finish, a nice bit of hydration and plumping, and it's super calming. I would use this in the place of a snail mucin serum. I'd use it in place of a calming and soothing serum, and it really doubles down on the benefits you're going to see without having to have a multitude of different products. Look at that. Yes. Every single time I look at the skin and think, yes. And it's also really calming. So it takes down any redness that you have and calms and soothes. Now, some people are going to say it's got retinal in. Does that mean you can only use it on an evening? No, you can use it morning and evening. The form of retinal in here is stable, so you can absolutely use it on a morning. And there's a myth that using retinal on a morning will make your skin super sun sensitive. That's a complete myth. We need to dispel that. You should always be using your sunscreen. That's a non-negotiable, but as long as you are, it's absolutely fine. Using retinoids in general, because it refreshes the skin, increases cell turnover, can increase the skin sensitivity to the sun. So you should be using a sunscreen no matter what. However, whether you use your retinoid on an evening, on a morning, both, it doesn't make any difference. It's not going to increase the skin sensitivity in that moment. So let's dispel that myth. You can absolutely use this on a morning and on an evening, and it will be absolutely fine because of the concentration and the form of retinoid that they've used. If you're already using a retinoid in your evening skincare routine, retinol, tretinoin, I probably wouldn't use this alongside it. You don't want to double up. If that's the case, just use it on a morning, and that way you can enjoy this little glow up, this beautiful finish on the skin, and get a little extra dose of anti-aging at the same time. For me, this is a win. I'll use it on a morning every single day, then on an evening, because I use another retinoid. I tend to use it on those areas where I don't use my retinoid, like on the neck, on the hands, areas which I tend to skip, I'll use this, and that way I'm still getting that dose of anti-aging, which for me is win-win-win, ding all the way. So just throwing a caution out there, who do I think shouldn't use this? Well, as with everything in skincare, even though this is super gentle, patch test it first, make sure that you can tolerate the ingredients used. When I say patch test, put a little behind the ear for 24 hours before you apply it and just make sure that there's no sensitivity or irritation. If you have super sensitive skin, maybe the retinol in here might not be for you, so I'll call it out. But I think most people should be absolutely fine because of the way that it's formulated. I'm going to give this a firm 10 out of 10. Honestly, it's very rare that I'm this impressed by a product. There are my holy grails out there and I talk about them a lot on the channel, but when it comes to Korean skincare, I'm always mixing and matching. It's rare that I find a product that I genuinely think is going to be in my routine for the long term and become a non-negotiable. That's really what I found with this. As I said, keep it in the fridge to enjoy that cooling, and you can use this on a morning to complement your existing anti-aging skincare routine, get that little extra glow, smooth everything out, and this for me is an absolute winner. Let me know your thoughts below. If you've made it this far, are you tempted to give it a try? If you are, leave the heart emoji down in the comments section and let me know if you're going to give it a try. For me, it's one of the few products, like I said, that I would genuinely say is a must try. For most people out there, this could be a wonderful addition to your skincare routine, streamline everything down. And remember, you don't have to use this on top of your existing routine. Use it in the place of a snail mucin serum or a calming and soothing serum that you already have. This could take the place of it and definitely deliver you some extra results. Wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.